In a groundbreaking union of nature and technology, a visionary team of engineers has crafted a bridge entirely from living trees, seamlessly integrating the organic beauty of the natural world with human ingenuity. This pioneering project not only redefines traditional infrastructure but also fosters a sustainable future by promoting ecological balance and resilience. Imagine walking across a pathway that grows stronger over time, dynamically adapting to its environment while reducing our carbon footprint. This living bridge is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's a testament to the potential for harmonious coexistence between humanity and nature. What other possibilities can you envision when we merge the natural and the man-made in innovative ways? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. #innovation, #sustainable engineering, #eco-friendly, #green infrastructure, #future of technology.